buyers are fairly obviously buying into this dip down here on the on the NASDAQ.
No, here at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, we are expecting the US EIA data. US EIA crude oil inventories forecasted at 2.5 million, previous 4.515 million.
It's a little trap above the highs.
3.5 million. Lowest estimated forecast being -1.7 million. US EIA distillate inventories forecast -1.
Nice first push in on the S&P.
0.585 million. US EIA gasoline inventories forecast
Objective will be at about 28.
Million. Previous -0.582 million. Just a reminder for you, yesterday's US API data for crude did come out at -6.1 million.
Oh man, I got a terrible fill on the NASDAQ. What was that? I'm gonna re-enter again. I tried hitting buy when it was up like 20 something, 30 something ticks or whatever. And it ran up so fast that I didn't get the fill at the right spot. All right, now I can get the fill at the right spot. Jeez. See if we can follow through a bit more. S&P, I'll take off. Nice. Beautiful continuation on the S&P. NASDAQ, let's go. Tried to sell another one, but I didn't get it. Oh, there we go. Nice little continuation flush for another scalp. Beautiful. Can they follow through this one to the next one? Like to see them drop down to like the 80s or upper 70s. Beautiful twin reversal on the highs. We're dealing with 14,000, obviously, so we got to be cognizant of that. But
FedPal says we need to move away from highly stimulative monetary policy settings. Says Fed policies can't address the supply side challenges.
Powell's on the mic as well, so that will make things a little bit difficult. Final objective is going to be back down to the lows, like 64.75. But there's a lot of back and forth inside the 76s, so it wouldn't hurt my feelings. Really back down to like that green zone. That's where the bulls were trying to creep it back up. We're fighting against the swing longs who are buying up. We're taking the aggressors on the short side based on the longer 15-minute resistance. Doesn't mean that the bulls can't get a little bit more momentum up. If we combine the 2-to-1 off of where they're trying to get in and try to factor that in off of their first scalp target, that's right where we are now. So
housing demand.
I mean, there's a reason why it's bouncing here, you know.
The Fed policy can't affect supply.
That's also the 1-to-1 for the move on the bottom end.
Says the housing prices are high due to labor and material.
Very nice bear bar there. Come on, NASDAQ. There we go. Nice. First press through 14,000. Now see if they can follow through the last one. There we go. Keep on going. Right down to that green area of support. Pushing through. Come on, NASDAQ. Push. Those bulls ain't got nothing. One good drive, one good drive. Come on, come on, come on. Push it. Slap that sucker into the floor. Oh, all right. I'm going to jump out. Oh, they tried so hard to All right,
So just remind
beautiful
me,
push into the
time
support. I tried holding on so long. I tried. Gorgeous flush.
Previous 4 spot what 5 1.
Now that I'm out, it'll fall.
Estimated forecast being 3.5 million. First estimated forecast being -1 spot